Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to download the antivirus for your Mac computer, or Windows. And go to the Google, then you're gonna put the name, then you're gonna click here to make sure this is the name here. Click here. Okay, click here. It's gonna be here. Personal or work computer. So I'm going to do this. So I'm gonna choose the free one. So this one's premium, you need to pay it. It's only free for 14 days. So just click here. And email is optional, so I don't want to put that. So because they're going to put a lot of junk mails. So I'm going to click here and open up preferences. You need to open that. Lock. Next. Done. That be it, guys. Then you can scan it. So you see, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.